Chapter 4. Mind the time. Be time conscious in whatever you do. Like it or not, in whatever you do, you are managing time. But there is a challenging question. How do you manage your time? I remember my science teacher telling me, tick tick, says the clock. Tick tick, what you have to do it quickly. That was to encourage me manage time properly. How have you utilized your time previously? How have you planned to utilize it from now on? You do not have a lot of time as of now, so utilize and guard each minute jealously. Do not allow losing time recklessly or because of your laziness. Avenues where and how students often waste their time: in dormitories, oversleeping or jazzing a lot about non-academic issues. Break time: one goes for break for the entire 20 to 30 minutes. Lunchtime: one goes for lunch for the entire 1 hour. In classrooms, in absence of a teacher, some students resort to storytelling, others sleep and doze off. For you to excel in your final exams is a test of time and how well you manage it. I recall my high school motto, now or never, which implied that we shouldn't postpone today's work to tomorrow. Take analysis of the free periods or time from your classwork timetable and budget for it on how you're going to spend it profitably. My English teacher once told me that the delay of one event delays another. There are uncertainties like falling sick, accidents, death of loved ones, God forbid, that may cause one to lose time. Otherwise, remember that you cannot fatten a goat on the marketed day. Instead, take time to graze and care for it while it is still early. Do not wait to read only after seeing the examination timetable pinned on the notice board. This is one sure recipe for disaster. Note: foretold, forewarned. The trick is, the more time you give to something, the more your brain gets familiar with it. For example, you know your name by spelling and respond quickly to it when someone calls you, even from your back, simply because you have taken a lot of time being called the same name and writing it by yourself for so long. The same applies to academics. If I may ask a question, what is 2 times 2 equal to? You realize that in less than a second, you have the answer, because it took you over 10 years doing the simple additions and multiplications like this, that now we do not need a calculator to get the answer. Now is the time for you to do what you have planned for preparations in order to achieve your set goal. You still have room for improvement, provided the bell to usher you into the examination room for your final exams has not been sounded.